A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
From Mawlana Shaykh's teachings that Allah describing that we have sent a warner, a prophet to be amongst you. And the fiikum physically that light must be amongst you, around you. Awliyaullah come and describe that the reality of light when it is amongst you, it is actually within you. Light moves into every reality, and these are from the realities of the heavens, malakut. And the reality that is important for us is that Allah not leaving us alone, that we are not a creation left alone, that these lights and these blessings are around us. And this Kitabullah, Allah's Holy Qur'an is alive. It's not created but it is eternal. It has a power and a qudra. And the way for us to understand that Kitabullah is mixed with Rasulullah. You cannot take away Sayyidina Muhammad and believe that you have a power and authority from Allah's kitab. And as a result they teach and remind that they put everything back together, and pieces that in normal computing we say is fragmented, there are pieces everywhere, and they defragment and put everything back together, and people begin to say, why wasn't I thinking of that? When light comes it purifies. When the haqq of Allah which is the light of Sayyidina Muhammad it comes and dispels all darkness. When we turn off the light, that is our life in zulm. You go to your room, turn your lights off. This is me, this is my life, I'm an oppressor to myself. Allah said, verily you are an oppressor to yourself, because the arrogance of the ego, every ego thinks, no I'm also a haqq, I'm a truth. No, you are not a truth, you're a zalim. But the reality of light and the rahmah and the mercy of light is as soon as you turn a light on, immediately it pushes away darkness. And you can bring as much darkness as you want and it never overtakes the light. Means when the light of Prophet comes, by its nature it moves and every falsehood and zulumat will be obliterated. Falsehood by its nature is always perishing. Means whatever looks to be false you think it to be standing, and Allah warning, don't worry, it has a time in which it will fall. But Nur Muhammad is eternal and is standing straight and bright. It is represented by the light of all the Prophets that they bring the light and the haqq of Allah. As soon as that light comes, that is the zaki, that is the purification. So then how to bring the light of Prophet very easy formula was make durood sharif, because they want for us to open these realities within our soul. So now everyone whenever they have a difficulty, sustenance, jadoo, whatever it is, make salawat on Sayyidina Muhammad. He is the only defender of truth. There is no one to help you but the love of Sayyidina Muhammad, because Allah wants that. Allah, this is the Habib and the love of Allah. So it means as soon as we make durood al-sharif, Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad Prophet ﷺ's teaching is that Allah will let my soul to be in your presence.
Have you started planning for the cost of post-secondary education? We will help you open a plan and access thousands of dollars in government grants. Give your child a head start with a CET plan. Did you know that it may be possible to start an RESP and not contribute any of your own money? Call today and receive 25 air miles reward miles when you book a consultation.
Many people come and see me saying how difficult it is to get into the market and buy your first home today. At Shah of Kukutlam, we have a range of solutions that helps you find the perfect home that fits your needs. For over a decade, we have helped hundreds of clients, from first-time buyers to seasoned investors, achieve their goals. We also provide free seminars and workshops, so when the time comes, you can make an educated decision to set you and your family up for life. Whatever your needs are, whatever your goals are, come and see me. My name is Shah, and I can help you find the perfect home.
Naz Window Blinds offers high-quality custom window coverings for both residential and commercial projects. We offer a stunning range of colors and design options. We also provide an on-site measurement and style consultation so that you can be sure you're getting the very best option for your windows. Let us enrich the look, feel, and value of your space with custom window coverings. Call Naz Blinds today.
Quantum physics, they found out that everything is light. When Allah doesn't give a light, it's not yet manifested. So the whole of manifested world is manifesting because of Nurul Muhammad. You can't say Allah because there's no shareek with Allah, there's no partner with Allah. That might and majesty is beyond something you can imagine. We are in the circle of creation. That light, that manifesting is the secret of Sayyidina Muhammad's light, that I was the first of Allah's creation. So it means that every light is from this secret, that secret that all creation is searching for, which is existing within the reality of Prophet. Here's the container, because don't think physically there's somebody physically standing there, we're talking about the nur. The nur that is every creation that you're seeing of this universe and infinite universes. When it manifests, Allah gives it a nur. It's the amr. Allah gave an order and that creation manifested. The seeker has a limited time. You think you have 100 years, maybe you have 10 years. Some people die at 10 years old, some die at 20, 30, 40. You don't know what time Allah gave to us. So Prophet warned, be careful with the time that Allah gives to you. And with that time use it to seek realities. Means spend your life searching for ilmu yaqeen. Not watching YouTube on how to make wudu, talking people who talk and give khutbahs about politics. That's not going to give any certainty to you, and that's not going to give any darajat to the soul. We are the people of maut and qabl al-maut. Means we are the people who are in a state of dying. The desires of the material world are dying. The love and attraction and affection for the heavens is so strong and emanating. As a result, there's a parda that moves and the knowledges of paradise begin to dress that one soul. And their destination back home, they understand it. It's when somebody heedless in this world and they don't know where you're going. You don't even know where your trip is? No. You don't know where you're staying? No, I have no idea. Did you plan anything? Did you take any money with you? No. This is our trip that is eternal for us. When the desire of dunya goes, you begin to become conscious of that journey. Ya Rabbi, where am I going to be? Where am I going to be stationed? Where's my proximity? Don't let me to be far away from the ones whom I love. I want to be with them, I want to be sitting with them, I want to be eating with them, I want to be absorbed in them. And they then tell you, then seek their knowledges and seek their way, seek their satisfaction. That we're hearing the love of Sayyidina Muhammad and drawing us to that reality. So then for these knowledges to take place and open the seer within the heart, then you need aynul yaqeen. Means you have to open the eye of reality. That this physical eyes is an illusion. What you see from these physical eyes is an illusion. It's going to become more apparent what a grotesque illusion this is. What you think of this world and what people are doing, you think it's nothing, that it's nice, it's McDonald's down the street. And Allah was teaching that this eyes of yours is seeing an illusion. Means then the conscious ones and saliheen and those who follow awliyaullah, constantly their heart is being pushed, be conscious of your condition. Means then they begin to make sure that all their praying and all their tafakkur and all their accounts with Allah are as good as possible. And they fill those accounts with the love of Sayyidina Muhammad and durood al-sharif, for in case anything is going to go off and not be correct.
Hi, did you know that your child may be eligible to receive up to $10,000 in government grants to pay for his or her post-secondary education? My name is Sikandar Hayat. I am here to help you. Call today for a free consultation.
Almost 150,000 Canadians a year will use a homeless shelter. These people need food, clothing, and access to basic hygiene. Fatima Zahra Helping Hand is a non-profit organization with the goal of helping the underprivileged in Canada. Along with our active support for recent immigrants and refugees, one of our ongoing initiatives is to feed and clothe the homeless. For more than a decade, we have provided hundreds of thousands of hot meals to some of the most vulnerable and needy. We continue these efforts with several monthly initiatives. For more information or to donate, please visit our website, nurmuhammad.com.
Every night you sit by yourself and contemplate and close your eyes and say, this is my qabr, this is my death, this is my grave. Play salawats, play Holy Qur'an, and brings a love for Prophet for Allah and the heavenly reality. Don't think yourself you are independent and you have everything. Think you are the worst one and you need everything because you can't imagine the bounty of Allah. You can't imagine, don't limit it. Keep negating and negating and negating everything. Everything that, Ya Rabbi, all I want is to reach your oceans of power. Let me to reach into your oceans of light and power and my soul to be dressed in that. And this is the teaching of awliya. No matter whatever is coming to you, negate it. Whatever dream came to you, negate it. I'm not going to stop until you dress me from your oceans of power. When we take a path in which we're crushing, these knowledges expand the heart. These teachings are like food from paradise. But if you're too material, you're like, I'm full and I don't know what you're talking about. I'm looking about how to acquire mass amounts of real estate. You're full and you're filled with your dunya desire, you have no interest in your paradise reality. So then the ilmu yaqeen or the knowledge is coming from their heart. Aynul yaqeen is your process of opening the heart, your eye of your heart. When the eye of the heart opens and the spiritual knowledge is open, Allah make it to be a haqq yaqeen for you. Because through your heart you're understanding. You should be witnessing the knowledge. It means you're tasting it, you're understanding it, and your shahada, your witnessing is real. If you don't witness it, you can't talk about it because it's not a truth for you, it was merely just you heard it. So when the shaykh talks in their contemplation, they see it, they witness it with their soul, it's a truth for them. As a result it becomes haqq yaqeen. That is the sir and the secret of Prophet that power, that light and those knowledges, that Prophet is the treasure of Allah. As much as you're seeking ilmu yaqeen, ayna yaqeen, haqq yaqeen, as if the heart of Prophet opening, Ya walidid, come and take. And Mawlana describes, some take by hand, some take by cup, some take by rivers full. How much they're in need of that reality, Prophet's heart flowing upon them. And Allah then describes, I wouldn't have sent him but he is a rahmah for all creation. the center of the entire created universe and all its heavens. Before any Kaaba, before any paradise, I'm sending that light through all paradises, through all universes. He's bringing my holy Qur'an. Means that is a tremendous mercy for all creation. That light of Prophet amongst people. And those that achieve that reality means their soul entered deep into the reality of Sayyidina Muhammad. When they're so fiikum, not only the light of Prophet but the vehicles in which contain that light. We pray that Allah guide us to those lights and keep us in the love of Sayyidina Muhammad and under the feet of awliyaullah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifoon, as-salamun ala al-mursaleen, walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Bi hurmati Muhammad al-Mustafa wa bi sirri Surat al-Fatiha.
Have you started planning for the cost of post-secondary education? We will help you open a plan and access thousands of dollars in government grants. Give your child a head start with a CET plan. Did you know that it may be possible to start an RESP and not contribute any of your own money? Call today and receive 25 air miles reward miles when you book a consultation.